In this video, our art studio will show you how to make this chandelier step by step with minimal resources. You can buy these decorative wooden stands from an industrial goods store. In this case, for the 3 lighting fixtures on our chandelier, we will need a total of 6 pieces. Cut the tops of the 6 and glue them together with epoxy glue as shown in the picture. We cut 3 small and 3 large wooden circles, drill them in the middle. From there, the cable for the lamp will enter. We glue the little one on the big one and together we glue them on the wooden body. Then we paint with wood varnish and mount the lamp socket previously connected to the cable. For this project we need a hemp rope which we cut and glue with a hot glue gun between the upper and lower part of the body. We insert the cable from the wooden body into the thick hemp rope. Decorate the rope in the upper part of the wooden body by adding 4 thinner ropes and winding about 10 cm of the thin rope on them, and we glue their ends to the wood. This is shown with arrow A. We glue 4 more pieces of rope on the inner lower side of the wooden body. This is shown with arrow B. At the back of the board we have carved grooves for the cables to enter and connect. We close these grooves with plastic caps which we fasten with screws to the board. We cut 2 small and 2 large wooden circles, glue the big one on the small one, drill them in the middle and paint them. Through them our chandelier will hang with clamps from the ceiling. Here you can see the 2 chains, one end of which will be screwed into the back of the wooden board and the other in the wooden circles. Here is the finished hanging chandelier. This is how it looks mounted. I hope you like it. Good luck and goodbye.